Does she have a car?
I didn't really want to go.
Not that I don't trust it.
This is the question to ask.
Is that your camera, Diane?
Yes.
Oh my God! You know that is the sexiest little black camera. I actually got a very similar one, a little Casio XLM. Excuse me.
Just the mobile mechanic one had some work.
I can't believe that I'm sitting here with cozzyk. Should I say that again?
Yeah. Go right ahead. Yep. We'll start over.
I can't believe that I'm sitting here with cozzyk at the Hilton in Orlando. Oh my God, darling, you are so beautiful. You know, I'm so in love with you. If you ever decide to leave your husband, you've got to look me up, all right? What are we going to do about Tracy?
That's the question.
Well, I love Tracy too. Maybe I could be like Jack Thompson, who's a very famous Australian actor. He has 2 wives, live in the same house with him.
Oh my.
Oh yeah. I love you, baby.
Well done. Yes. I've noticed that actually.
Hey, what? You guys want to say your channel name as we go around with Cozzy?
Warfield Factory. Mr. Mobile Mechanic.
I'm going to be able to bring them down.
One dickhead.
How about if I take that bottle of tequila up?
Lulu.
Can I take that? Sweet.
Lulu.
Oh, I'm under the table.
Under the table.
No, darling. Give me the brown bag.
Not already.
Tequila up.
Jump in. Ready? Okay, I'm going to go and jump in. Can I jump in there or not?
I think
Can
Fab, I think Fab can do whatever he wants. Bon voyage, Fab.
I lost the duck! Coming down here and they go, look at all these cameras on this, look at all these cameras on this map.
Say hello, YouTube!
Hi.
Hi, YouTube!
You're all going to be on YouTube tonight. Bye.
Here's Fab with his fan. I like your dog.
Thank you, mate.
This is what having wild, crazy Australian guests does to the cats. Everybody's tuckered out.